Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, I want to talk about this amazing website right here guys. So this website lets you earn money online. And what is the work of this website actually? So point 5 lets you sell your pictures, videos, music and a lot more guys. So you can sell all these things to content creators and make money online. So because content creators need pictures, videos and a lot more like image footage of anywhere they are, so you can sell all these things to content creator and you can make money online. So now let's explore the app together. So as you can see here says videos, as you can see, so all creative, news archive and a lot more. You can see these are music, so there are a lot of music here. You can see inspirational and all. So if you are into inspirational music, you can list your music here, and when someone download your music or use your music, you will definitely get paid for it. So that is how it works. And it is not only music, like if it's also video, like for an example, now let's say you went to a resort and you have a video about it, you just video the vicinity, so you can sell that image to people online guys. So as you can see here, these are a lot of music. You see, you can sell all your music and earn money. As you can see, this one is going for $79, this one is going for $20, $32, $44. So you can see, so all this music are for sale guys. So you can also be part of these people. As you can see, this one is million person, Nagon and a lot more guys. So there are a lot of things you can do here to make money online. So let's go back now. So now, like I said, you can do all these things. As you can see here, your one-stop creative library. Discover millions of royalty-free assets, including the world's largest collection of premium stock video. You can see video 47 million, music 2.6 million, sound effects 2.8 million, after effects 43k, photo 108 million, illustration 30 million, photoshop PSD 11k. So you can also include your pictures, your videos, your sound effects to all these list guys, and when people use them you get paid for it. And like I showed you before, someone earned like $79 for just one sound guys. So you can also do that. So imagine you just listed 100 sound and at least you get like, let's just say, 2 people download your sound every single day and you just sell it for like $50. So now let's do the math. So let's say $50, so times 2, because 2 people use it, 2 people uses your sound every single day, so that's 2 people, and $100 times 30 guys, so you'll be making extra $3,000 every single month guys by just uploading your images or videos or anything here on Pond 5. So that is just how it works guys. So you can also be part of this creative minds and create things guys. So you don't only have to make music to be popular in these days guys, you can literally make music and sell to people guys. So that is how it works. As you can see, a professional created, dive into handpicked collection extensively researched and compiled by our expert curation team, and a lot more. There are a lot of things to explore on this app guys, but that's just the main work of Pond5. And as you see, by Shutterstock, so it is also owned by Shutterstock, and Shutterstock is a very reliable platform guys. So that's just how it works. So if you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.